Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a checklist in ClickUp. So first, I want you to go and select any task you want to create a checklist for. So here I have in my to-do to record videos. So I'll select this one right here, okay? And then what we need to just do is scroll down until we see this checklist section. Click on Create Checklist, right? And we are able to add new checklist items. So first we'll go to name the checklist videos. Okay. So first item, I'll go ahead and do, of course, keyword research. Okay. And after that, we'll go ahead and record video. And then let's say we go ahead and edit, right? Make the thumbnail. We'll do the SEO. And finally, we'll go ahead and upload, right? So this is going to be my checklist. Of course, if you want to assign certain things to certain people, you can come here and assign. So let's say I'll be doing the keyword research, and Pioneer here will be doing the recording. Do that, right? And you can do the same thing for other people as well. So this is the checklist, 0 out of 6. And once, let's say this is done, I just click here. There you go. That one is done. One task is completed, as you can see. This other one is also done now, 2 out of 6. See, it's really that easy and simple.